So I have recently received this video message on WhatsApp, and do you think that someone is sitting at the back end and sending all the video messages to all the customers and leads manually? No, they simply automate this process using Pabbly Chatflow. And in this video I'll show you how you can also send bulk video messages like this to all your customers and leads. So let's get started. To do this, you just have to open your dashboard of Pabbly Chatflow if you are an existing user like me. But if you are a new user, you have to open a new tab and search for pabbly.com/chatflow in your browser and open the landing page of Pabbly Chatflow. In the top right corner, you are going to see the option of sign up for free. So click on this sign up for free and you are going to get 100 of credits free every month to explore Pabbly Chatflow. What is this 100 of credits? So you can send up to 100 of WhatsApp messages for free and try Pabbly Chatflow for free. And yes, this is true. Once you try Pabbly Chatflow and if you like it, you can definitely move on further and purchase the subscription plan of Pabbly Chatflow. And for that, we have a special discount coupon code just for you, which is attached right over here. Not only sending bulk messages, but you can create AI chatbots, WhatsApp chatbots, you can collect the payments and much more using Pabbly Chatflow. So if you like it, you can definitely purchase the subscription plan using this amazing discount coupon code, which can get you a very heavy discount on the subscription plan of Pabbly Chatflow. Alright, so now after logging in, you have to open your dashboard of Pabbly Chatflow and make sure to add your WhatsApp number inside Pabbly Chatflow. If you want to learn how to add your WhatsApp number, we have a dedicated video on this in the description box below. You can refer to that and learn how to add your WhatsApp number. As you can see that I have already added my WhatsApp number, so I am good to go. Now from the left hand of the side, we have to go on this broadcast feature of Pabbly Chatflow. Once we're on this broadcast feature, we have to click on this add broadcast button. Once we click on this add broadcast button, it is asking for the broadcast type. So select it as broadcast campaign. Now it is asking me for the broadcast name, so I'm just going to keep the name as new underscore sale underscore. So this will be the name of my broadcast. Now it is asking me to select the contact list. So over here, in order to select the contact list, you first have to learn how to create one. So from the left hand of the side, you have to go to this contact section, and once you're on this contact section, first of all you can create this contact list from here. But before that, you have to learn how to add the contacts. So for that, you have to click on this add contact button, and from here you can add single or bulk contacts. So if you wish to add single contacts, you can enter the details right over here and add these single contacts. But if you want to upload bulk contacts, first of all you have to get a CSV file. From where are you going to get the CSV files? For that, you have to go on your spreadsheet and enter the details of all the customers or leads to whom you want to send the automated WhatsApp messages, which is the video messages in this sheet. Now go on this file, download, and download this in CSV format. Once you download this in CSV format, you can simply upload it and all the contacts will be uploaded right over here in your Pabbly Chatflow account. Then you can segregate them into list and select the list right over here. So I'm just going to select this one list, but you can select multiple lists too. Apart from this, we also have this refine audience option. So you can exclude the contacts you don't want to receive this broadcast. So you can exclude the list right over here too. Otherwise, you can also exclude the specific contacts to whom you don't want to send these messages. Okay, now let's just move on further. This is exclude contacts in an active 24-hour conversation window. So you can skip the contacts who message you within the 24 hours so that they don't receive a reductant broadcast on the top of your active conversation. So you can switch it on right from here. Now it's asking me to select the message type. So you have two options, pre-approved template message or a regular message. If you want to send pre-approved template message, then from the left hand of the side, you have to go on this template section, and from here you can create a new template and send a pre-approved template message like this. But for that, you have to make sure that you create the template. If you want to learn more about this template section, the video is attached in the description box below. You can refer to that. The next is this regular message, which we are going to use today. So to select the regular message type, so we're going to select it as video over here. Now it is asking me for the caption, so I want the caption something to be like this. So I'm just going to copy and paste it right over here. In this, if you want to bold some text, you can simply add the stars in the front and in the end of the text which you want to bold. So I want to bold this "Hey Beautiful" and this code, so I've just added these stars. Now it is asking me for the header file URL, which is the video URL. This is the most crucial step. So what you have to do is you have to go on this upload from media file. Then you can add a new video over here. Go on this add new video button, choose a file from your desktop or from your computer, and you can simply upload the file. And once you upload the file, it will appear right over here, and then you can select the file directly from here. So as you can see, I'm just going to select this file. So I'm just going to choose this file and click on this insert button. Now this file is added right over here, and the header file URL is also added. It's not necessary in order to send video messages. You have to select regular message. Using template message also you can send video messages. Okay, so now let's just move on further. So over here, if you want to remove the file, you can remove it from here. Now it is saying username and mobile number. So what is this? So over here, before sending this broadcast to multiple contacts or leads at once, we can check it once. So let's say I'm just going to enter the username as test user, and over here I'm just going to enter my mobile number so that I can test this broadcast. So let's just click on this send test message, and you're going to see it is saying test message sent successfully. So let's just open our WhatsApp, and it is going to send us a WhatsApp message which is going to have a video. So as you can see, recently we have received this new message over here which has this video, and this message looks perfectly fine. We can send it to multiple contacts at once. So let's move on further and schedule this broadcast. Now we have two options: schedule this broadcast for later or send instantly. So if you wish to send this broadcast instantly, click on this no send instantly and then add button, and this broadcast will be sent instantly. If you want to schedule this broadcast for later, you can go on this schedule for later, and then you're going to see this calendar on the right hand of the side. Just click on this, and from here you can schedule this broadcast. Like I'm just going to schedule this broadcast at 31st of May 4 p.m. So I'm just going to schedule and click on this add button. Now once again I have to click on this add broadcast button, and this broadcast is added, and over here is scheduled for May 31st 4 p.m. Once this broadcast is sent, I can view the stats for the same too. I can view how many were sent, delivered, read, failed, and pending over here. But once this broadcast is sent, then only I can check this. So yes, now you've learned how to send bulk video messages on WhatsApp, that too without getting blocked, because Pabbly Chatflow is an official WhatsApp business API key provider. It is powered by official WhatsApp business cloud API, so there is no risk of getting your WhatsApp number banned or blocked. So go and try this amazing automation yourself, and while trying, if you have any questions, you can directly drop them in the comment section below. Don't forget that we have a special discount coupon code which can get you a very heavy discount on the subscription plan of Pabbly Chatflow. But first try it. If you are satisfied with the product, here's the discount coupon code just for you. Thank you for watching, everyone. See you in the next video. So not only this, but you can use Pabbly Chatflow to create multiple more WhatsApp automations. And now if you have any doubts related to pricing, you can follow this link. If you have any queries related to sales, you can email us at sales@pabbly.com. Both this link and this email address is attached in the description box below. You can check it out. I suggest you try WhatsApp automation today for your business, because right now we are offering a free trial of Pabbly Chatflow.